Hi guys, I'm at the Eco Forest showroom area in Semenyih. So I'm going to go and check out this new concept called Ergo Homes. You would have seen videos of these homes on Bobby and Bing's channel. So right now I'm here, my first time checking these units out. So here we have, based on what Bobby explained to me, it is like what, 3 units joined into one. So right now you walk like this. Okay, this is the backyard. This is the backyard area. Let me just go around first. So it's basically, think of, you can imagine it, right? Like it is like a triple semi-D kind of concept, I think. So you just walk. So you have, this is the Type 3E1, which is 1,800 square feet. But the built-up area itself is just 1,300. Yeah, so this is Type 3E3. Oh, okay. And I walk around here. So this is Type 3E2. So yeah, three physically joined units sharing one enclosed backyard area, so to speak. Oh wait, over there, let me show you the concept. Okay, so basically it's like this. Oh no, so there's one unit like this, and 1, 2, 3. So this concept display here, I believe is showing only here, these three units. Okay, all right, so let's go in. So this is the common backyard area, and so you see this swimming pool area, this is one unit, this belongs to one unit, and this belongs to yet another unit. And I think it's closed lah. Oh! Why cannot? You have to tangga kasut lah.
Yeah, lemon is okay.
Okay, let's go inside and see. Okay.
Nice, beautiful.
Right.
Well, each have their unique.
Yeah. So you see, right? Once buka already, inside here you can see all three the backyards facing each other.
Yeah, and they can do their own design. You want to put swing, you want to put pool.
Yeah.
Not bad.
So that is the front door. This is the front door. You come in from the front door here. Okay, so you come in through the front door. That's the living space. This is the kitchen, island. Wow, this is interesting. So you have a kitchen island there that is joined with the dining table. Of course, these are all suggested concepts. I'm not sure which of these are included in the built-ins, which of these are just here for show. So this area, this is sort of like a free space which you are free to do whatever you want. You can partition this off to make another room, or you can use this you can use this space as a you can use this space as a study area. In this case, they created this as like a sort of like a Japanese tea area. Here, this is the bathroom. Okay, this is the stairs, right? So you can see this space under the stairs. They use this to put the shower area. This one, this is like the area for your washing machine. Pretty smart. And let's go upstairs and see. So up here got how many bedrooms? Up here got one. This is one bedroom. Okay, so here this is another free space which you can set up as per your liking. In this example, they've put like a sort of like a study common area. So here inside here, this is one room. And wow, this is like a walk-in wardrobe concept with the bathroom here. Okay, this is the bath area, and separately, this is the toilet. Okay. Okay, so only what, one bedroom upstairs, suitable for young couples. Hey, sorry. So you can see the specs: 1833 square feet, 279. This is the parking. This is the garden, the back garden. This is the built-up area, which is quite big, 1,348 square feet. Okay, so we go to type 3E3 and see what they have in here. Oh, hello. So similar, it's the same arrangement, right? It's the same kind of configuration as the other one, just a different ID. Ah, okay. So this is another ID concept which you can use. We got kitchen here, just a simple L top kitchen here, built-in dining table, living area.
So this one is a bit similar. This one is E3.
Yeah.
If you came from over there, did you come from over there?
No, I came from that one.
Came from there. Okay. So let's say you came from over there. You would come in through the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
You came in through the kitchen. So
Yeah.
for this one, the door is at the side instead of
Is
at
it so?
the
Is
front.
I mean, in terms of physical layout, is this a mirror image of that one?
No, yeah, it's a mirror image, but the door, the placement of the door is slightly different.
Ah, okay,
So
okay,
the door,
okay.
the door that you went to just now, the door was over there. Now the door is
Oh.
over here.
Oh,
Did you
okay.
realize that?
Yes.
So the placement of the door is different.
Right. But otherwise, upstairs is the same lah.
Mostly the same.
One bedroom.
It will be one bedroom, but because we have did the ID for the houses, so when you go upstairs, you'll see there are 3 bedrooms upstairs.
I've just now saw one bedroom only, or this one become 3 bedroom. Okay, let's go and check it out. So this one, you see the toilet. This toilet is the same as the one that I showed you earlier, and this was this space in the previous unit. This was like that Japanese tea area, right? In the earlier unit. This one they've put like a secondary kitchen here like that.
So let's say you make videos about yourself cooking, you can do it here.
Oh, so that is where you do your actual cooking. This is where you pretend to cook.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, nice. Let's go upstairs. Oh, wow. So you see, in the previous unit, this was a sort of like a common area, but now they've made this is like one bedroom. Here is another bedroom, okay, that connects to, of course, the bathroom lah, okay, the shower, the toilet, and yeah, it's still quite big, you know. And now we come here. Now this is yet another decently sized room. Quite impressive sorcery with the way they arrange the upstairs. But the toilet, yeah. So you have one bathroom, okay, for the master bedroom up there, and the other toilet is down here. Okay, so I'm going to jump over to the other unit. So this is the Type 3E2 configuration. Terima kasih, Kak. So as we come inside here, so this is quite spacious. So this one, they've made this a common area. This is like a kosong area. And now here we have, this is a very minimalistic kitchen. They forgot to put the fridge. And here we have, this is the bath area, this is the bathroom. And we go upstairs. Let's see how they arrange the upstairs for this one. So up here, this one, once again, this area, in this unit, they've made this into a common area, and this one is, make this into a massive master bedroom. Okay, shower area, toilet. Okay, so this Ergo Homes, we have seen three interior configuration examples. It's a very flexible concept. You can really arrange the interior configuration to to various designs to suit your lifestyle. Okay, and yeah, I quite like the back compound area. This shared back compound area is nice, and like what Bobby says, it's a great concept for large families. So you can have, like, the old folks who live in one unit, then the siblings who live in each have their own separate unit with their own privacy, that kind of thing. Yeah, quite an interesting home concept design. Guys, what do you think?